What's up, everybody? Being back again. I think this is my second blaster of Allen and Ginter from 2017. Other than a few of these I've picked up, there is little to no baseball in my area. It's all football, and I ain't gonna break football, so that's just the way it is, kids. I don't really watch modern football, so why mess with it? I occasionally get a wild hair and buy a blaster, but I just haven't felt like it as of late. So we got I believe this is number 2 of these I've had lately. I've got one more. I'll probably get another video up of that one shortly after this one, within a day or two or so, a couple days. Allen Ginter's always kind of fun to rip. I don't know. I don't really care for all the other stuff, that the fluff, I guess I'd call it, that comes along with it, but these cards are always nice. But like I said, I don't care for all the fluff. Well, there went my mini. What the heck? This one's way grossly off cut. Brooke Hogan, look at that. Grossly off center, top to bottom. Whitey Ford was the mini. Does he sing the blues? Got Darvish, Kimmerer, I don't know, Villar, and this was a weird pack. Battle of Princeton and Battle of Lexington. Yeah, that card's like grossly off center, top to bottom. Brooke Hogan, Hulk Hogan's daughter. Don't know why she gets the card, other than she's Hulk Hogan's daughter and kind of pretty or something. But Urias, Healy, What a Day, Sale, Kipnis on a mini. There goes my dryer. Ramirez and Franco, grossly off cut top to bottom. That's been one per pack so far. Is that going to be a thing? Maybe. Miller, World's Fair Monorail. We got James Shields mini with the A and G back. Matt's also cut off center. And Adrian Gonzalez, little piece of jersey, so I guess that's my hit. Go ahead and get that in a penny sleeve here. Yeah, I guess that's an alright hit. I don't really collect them, but like I said before, better than a sharp stick to the eye, I guess. Bautista, Steele, Tulowitzki, Cotton rookie card, Kane, and Rosenberg. Peter Rosenberg. It's off center. Wow, every card, the last card, there goes my dryer again. It does it twice. Peter Rosenberg gets a card? Really? Braun, Grichuk, Wieters, a Fish. Got a Smoltzy there with a black border, and the Andrews, Elvis Andrews, yep. Smoltz black border. That's a cool card. I'm not the biggest fan of minis. They growing on me a little bit, but Soler, Bellamore, Kluber, Horace Golden, Magicians and Illusionists mini, Rodney and Ryan, and it's also a little off center top to bottom. I must have got a bad batch in this box. One card is off center bad top to bottom. Seems like every pack. Usually the last card, as you can see there, That one's going to be the same way. Ben Zobrist for my Cubs. Gisselman. The Great Wharf. Shire Horse. Mini. A Brew. And Glazer. Last pack. I dropped it. Got him out that time. Chapman. Almora for my Cubs. Buxton, which he grew up in the town next to mine. I didn't know it till recently, so that's cool. Violin Dude. What? World's Dudes. Mini. Awakuma and Kano. So, I guess our nice card from this is the Adrian Gonzalez. Genuine Relic. White piece there. So, yeah guys, at least I got that out of it. A couple Cubs from my collection. And thanks for watching. Take care.